equity, diversity, and inclusion and belonging is everyone's responsibility because it benefits all of us. And I think that we make a mistake sometimes when we talk about diversity, inclusion, and belonging as if we are only trying to create space for people of color, or only trying to create space for people with disabilities or other marginalized identities. That is not what we're doing. We are creating an environment where all, and all just translates to all, right? That all, where all of us can thrive and where all of us feel a sense of belonging.